What is up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Izzy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a review on Week 12 Supreme and resale predictions as well. And I'm also going to show you a little quick setup on what I'm going to be doing for this week. So if you are new to here, guys, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. I'm so close to the milestone of 500 subscribers. Guys, get me there, and I told you I will do another raffle for you guys. And then don't forget to participate in that Twitter raffle that will be releasing tomorrow or the 8th, I believe. So make sure you guys do enter that. The thing will be listed down in the video description for you guys, the link to the Twitter thing, as well as the Discord. So don't forget to join the Discord as well, guys. We're almost there to more than 200 members already in there. We do have a lot of success, and I'm just here trying to help you guys out as well as two other people that are with me. So let's get straight into the video. So obviously, guys, Week 12 is dropping on November 18th, which is well, whoops, not the 18th. I'm sorry, the 8th. My bad. Which is 2 days from now. The hottest items are the top three. The ones are going to be the Combo de Garçons, Airforce ones, and the new Aero box leg with beanies, as well as the folding knife. So, guys, obviously, as you know, that this is going to be reselling for a lot. I think the retail price is 160 for the shoe plus tax, so 170. The retail price is probably going to be between $350 to $400. Regards to the new Aero logo thing, it's usually between 50 to 60 bucks, something like that. The resale price might be like between 85 to 90, and depending on what colorway you get, it's probably gonna be more. Um, and yeah, guys, so these are pretty much the hot items that are coming up. And then of course the knife, I think the knife is pretty sick. I do not know how much it's gonna be cost. Probably gonna be another 50, 40 bucks depending on Supreme, because obviously their stuff is pretty expensive on the website, but the resale value is up there too. Regards to everything else, guys, it just isn't for me. In my opinions, I don't really dig any of this other stuff. But if you're trying to go for this stuff, there shouldn't be no problem. A lot of people are too focused on getting this stuff, but since this is Supreme, I guarantee you that this stuff will sell out regardless. Maybe some of the pants won't. Maybe trying to think what else might not sell out. Maybe the hats. I don't know. The pants for sure. I don't know. This just isn't my style. But yeah, guys. So now I'm gonna show you a quick way on how to get the stuff. So I'm not sure if you know, but last week Supreme actually messed around with the bots. So if you guys have the bots, you guys probably didn't get any. It was probably harder to do like using a bot than it was to actually manually cop. I unfortunately wasn't in class, so I wasn't able to cop anything last week either. But I guess they had a bypass on the capture or something like that that doesn't work anymore, as well as the variants on the website. So it was really hard for you to set up a bot trying to get through because Supreme's anti-bot people just pretty much just fucked up the game. So this week it might be a little bit hard. We'll see what bots have updated their stuff like Cyber, Eve, and any other stuff like Trip.io. Once again, I am not affiliated with any of those people. Those are just some of the best providers that I would recommend you guys using for bots. Now, regards to buying them, they usually get out of stock on their website or when they tweet something. So the chance of you getting that bot is gonna be really slim unless you have some type of luck. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna pretty much show you my Eve setup. So pretty much want to create a task name, call it Supreme. Profile, click my profile. It's mine. Proxy list. Definitely recommend you guys using some proxies, especially if you guys gonna make multiple tasks. I recommend you guys doing like 5 per task or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hit me 250, me 250. It's gonna be Supreme, which is already on here. Oh, get that again. There you go. What the heck? All right, there you go. Definitely, guys, are gonna have to use keywords since the direct link probably won't work until it goes live. But even when it goes live, it probably will be sold out fast, depending on what bots might be active or changing their stuff on their updates and stuff. So I recommend you guys just use keywords, depending on the item that you want. For example, you want to go for the shoes, go for shoes. And the color probably gonna be the black one, obviously, not the white. Positive keywords probably gonna be something like the CDG, Como de Garçon, shoes, or anything within the name. Probably even put this Como de Garçons or something like that. Air Force Ones. Those are probably gonna be your best keywords to use for sure. So make sure you guys put all those inputs in there to make sure the capture priority is 5 to 10. I'm gonna go ahead and put 10. Self capture. Definitely recommend you put that on, or sometimes even take that off. Mess around, make it like some stuff with it and without it. Browser list is if you're away from your computer. Browser is if you are on your computer and you want to manually solve it. Now you can do that. I also recommend you do that too. If you are on your computer, you can use your your PayPal, but obviously use your credit card to check out. And advance. Let's see advance. The two captures could be turned on if you want. Mass create, depending if you want to mass create the same size or whatever. Just go ahead and put two for now, whatever you want to do. General, 2000 or exact. I put it like 2000. Delay 22,000 maybe. Checkout delay 0 milliseconds. Obviously, you want to check out as fast as possible. Catch a request. I don't think you have to worry about that. But if you want to mess around, go ahead and put maybe two. If anything, one, something like that. And then that's pretty much it, guys. So you just do that. Keywords. You don't have to worry about the negative keywords. And then you put save, and then pretty much it makes them for you. So recommend you guys starting this maybe 30 seconds before the drop, maybe 40 seconds to play it safe, or just mess around and even do it on the same exact time as well too. So do some that are maybe 45 seconds before, 30 seconds, 25 seconds, and then on the exact time, which is 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, my time. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much a quick setup on how to use Eve real quick to do it. I don't know if AIO bot has it because I don't have Supreme for that one, so I can't help you with that. But using Eve is pretty much how you do it. So, anyways, guys, I wish you luck for this Thursday's drop. Obviously, the money is gonna be there. A lot of people are gonna be more focused on the shoes, so you have a better chance probably copying the box Lego beanie or even the folding knife. So, I recommend you guys going for this if you do not have a bot. Even if you do have a bot, I recommend you guys going for this. Got Combo de Garçons, probably gonna be really hard to get, but obviously it's all based on your servers, proxies, and obviously the luck of your bot. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If this video was helpful, make sure you hit the like button. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, once again, make sure you drop a comment on the comment section below. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.